catching feelings, baby.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, and that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an every single time we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my
have literally wanted a very versatile protective style for so long, but it was just because I do a lot of things. You guys know I work with kids, I coach gymnastics. It's just like having the long wigs, I love them, but they literally just get in the way, and I needed something I can put up. So I was really sitting here thinking like, what's the way that I can still have a very versatile style, put it up, still be cute, but it won't take literally 6 hours to part my hair and individually twist it. And y'all, this hairstyle took literally no time at all. Now granted, if you watch my channel and you watch me do these Toyotress installs, then you guys know I always do like the individual braids in the front and then I cornrow it, but I never do anything in the back because I never wear the hair up. But when they sent me this 14-inch passion twist, I was like, okay, so these are gonna be super duper long, like 30 inches down my back, and it shouldn't be that hard for me to put up in a ponytail. So I was like, I'm gonna figure out some kind of creative way, which really is not creative. I feel like it's been done before on YouTube, but I know I don't think I've ever done it, where I just leave some hair out in the back, I left some out in the front, and I just did those individual passion twists like you would normally do it, and then I cornrowed the middle. And this is what you can do with those styles. So as you guys see, you can wear it down, you can wear it up. It's not heavy at all. This was not hard to do. I would probably wear my hair like this tomorrow, if not maybe in a ponytail, but definitely up and out the way, and I'm so happy. If you are subconscious about the way it looks, especially if you're not a good braider, because I'm not a good braider, you can always put a headband on as well. That way the hair can still be up and out your face, but you don't have to worry about people all in your scalp trying to see if they can see your cornrows or not. I know for me, this only took about maybe 2 hours, and it only took 2 hours because I was filming. But if I was like watching something in the zone and not trying to make sure I'm in frame and filming this for you guys, then it definitely would have took me maybe an hour. I had already had my hair braided because I had a wig, so all I did was just leave some hair out in the back and left some out in the front. I didn't even have to leave any out on the sides. Like, it literally looks so good. But like I said, these were 14 inches. They seemed kind of long, but I think the only ones that seemed long were the ones I had to undo and then retwist them, because once I crocheted the rest in the middle, they were short again. So I did have to cut them so that it is shoulder length, which is a cute length for anybody, me, you, whoever. That's probably the shortest. Well, I'd probably do maybe a 12. If you really just want like that bob look, then go to like a 12-inch. I've had 8 inches before. I didn't really like that because there's only so much you can do with that. But if you still want some leeway to do multiple styles, I probably wouldn't go shorter than a 12-inch. So 14 was still long enough, even though I cut it to still put up in a high bun, a ponytail, half up, half down. You guys saw all those hairstyles. And yeah, like literally, you guys know I love Toyotress. I'm not just saying that because they sponsored this video, but I literally don't trust any other brand when it comes to Toyotress. They always send me enough hair. I use all the packs. I have a couple of them still left over, like a couple twists still left over, but they always give you more than enough hair. The hair is always super soft, doesn't irritate my scalp. You guys know I have scalp psoriasis, and most people like to like pre-wash their hair, like apple cider vinegar, or pre-rinse their hair. I never have to do that with this hair. My scalp psoriasis is gonna be here regardless of if I pre-rinse it or not. That's just how my scalp is. But Toyotress hair works really, really well with that, and their shipping is super duper fast. I literally get my stuff within 2 days of talking to the company, and I'm pretty sure it's not just because I work with them, but I think everyone should get theirs pretty fast. I'm trying to think if there's anything I left out. I mean, you literally get a crochet needle and some rubber bands and some little jewels in the pack, which I don't know if I showed. I can see. Yeah, this is what you get. You do get like some rubber bands and a crochet needle, but y'all know I work at Toyotress, so I literally have 8 of these. So yeah, but if you do like this hairstyle and the versatility of it, definitely click the link down in my description box. Thank you Toyotress for sending me this video, sending me this hair to make a video about for my audience, for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye guys.